Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this 2013 BMW X5 xDrive35i. Powering this all-wheel drive SUV is a 3-liter inline-6 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission that can still get you only 9 to 13 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have this nice retractable cargo cover, which reveals lots of cargo space. You also have a bottom portion that flips down, and the top portion of your tailgate is powered. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable and folding mirrors, power adjustable windows with express down on all 4. You have a power adjustable heated steering wheel, your cruise control. On the steering wheel is your hands-free audio and display controls. This vehicle currently has 154,775 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit, which is Bluetooth ready, your dual zone automatic climate controls and heated front seats, your stereo controls, parking sensors, traction control, and additional accessories. You have your display controls, as well as your gear select. This vehicle also has black leather seats, and the front 2 are power adjustable with driver's seat memory. For the back of the interior, you have a great view of the dual sun moonroof, seat pockets in the back of both front seats, 2 12-volt power adapters, rear AC, and these are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip-down armrest in the center. If you would like to see more of this 2013 BMW X5 xDrive35i, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.